No, right, since you're yawning, man, from Tom Fun. Yawning, geezer.
I've just made my folks so unhappy, and I'm so sorry.
Being sorry, next best thing to being good. Number one suggests you go sleep.
I can't sleep. I just feel so bad I can't sleep.
Problem easily remedied. Let me introduce Yawning Man. Very good friend.
I'm the yawning man, the yawning man. I come when shadows creep. With my yawning song, I stroll along and help put people to sleep. If you just can't sleep and you're tired as could be, there's a remedy. It's the yawning melody. If you yawn, 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 then you sleep, sleep, sleep till the dawn, 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 so if the sad man comes and his sack he unties, tell him go away, who wants sand thrown in his eyes. If you yawn, 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 sleep, 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 dawn, 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 so let's all yawn.
Try it, Tom.
If you still can't sleep and you slumber, if your eyelids burn and you squirm and twist and turn, you try to yawn, 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 then you sleep, sleep, sleep till the dawn, dawn, dawn. So let's all yawn.
To me,
I was used to rewind the song over and over again. I love the yawning, geezer. I love the song. I used to rewind it back. I know a lot of people who can't listen to a song without yawning, but I think I managed to get through without yawning. Sometimes when I watch a movie, it makes me yawn, but thinking this reaction, I don't think I yawn, so the song's great in it. I mean, 1958, so long ago, but this movie was amazing in every way. And someone asked me what film do I prefer that Russ Tamblyn's in, this or West Side Story. It has to be this. I know they're different films completely, I mean, but this film's better in my opinion than West Side Story. That's still a great film, but this is better.